Hey everyone, John here from Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we'll be showing you how to install our SS3 grill kit like you see here on this 2023 Honda Talon. Let's get started. Start by twisting the hood latches to unlock the hood and firmly pull up on the corners to remove. Next, disconnect the headlight harness by depressing the locking clip and pulling away. Then, carefully unhook the coolant hose from the plastic hooks. If you have an aftermarket windshield, we recommend removing it to make this installation process easier. Locate the black rubber shield on the firewall and use a flathead screwdriver or trim removal tool to remove 6 plastic clips. At the cowl, continue removing 4 more plastic clips shown, as well as 4 10mm bolts and 5 5mm Allen bolts. With the cowl loose, remove and set aside. Using a 10mm socket, remove 4 10mm bolts. On either headlight, remove the outer plastic clip and 5mm bolt from the headlight shroud. There will be 2 more plastic clips to remove, one behind the headlight bucket and another in the inside corner of the headlight shroud. Repeat these steps for the other side. Before continuing, make sure the coolant hose is clear of the fender mounting bracket and is under the plastic. Using a 10mm wrench, remove the 10mm bolt from the side of the bumper and repeat for the other side. At the bottom of the bumper on the skid plate, use a flathead or trim removal tool to remove 2 plastic clips. Lift up on the fenders and pull the bumper towards the front of the vehicle. Repeat for the other side. Pull the plastic bumper tabs around the metal bull bar and set the bumper on a soft surface or cradle. Now we're ready to assemble our SS3s. Drop the supplied nuts into the slots on the side of the pod with the nylon ring facing the inside. Then slide the universal bracket over the back of the pod and thread our 5/32 Allen screws and washers. Tighten using a 5/32 Allen, but leave room for adjustment. Repeat for the other side. Grab your grille bracket and place the pod with the bracket under the grille tab. We can attach our SS3 to the bracket by dropping our carriage bolt and securing our washer, lock washer, and nut. Tighten using a 13mm wrench and repeat for the other pod. Back at the bumper, pull firmly on the corners of the grille to release the ball clips and remove. Line up the bottom tabs of the Stage Series bracket with the slot of the bumper and set in place. Install the provided bolt and nuts in the 2 top holes on the grille. Leave hand tight for now and flip the bumper over. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, begin installing the 8 self-tapping screws into the grille bracket holes. With a 4mm Allen and a 10mm wrench, finish securing the 2 bolts we added earlier. Plug the DT splitter into the back of each SS3 pod, then loosely secure the bumper to the vehicle, making sure the DT splitter is routed out by the top of the radiator. Inside the vehicle, remove the passenger and driver's seat bottoms by pulling up on the latch under the seats. Using a trim removal tool, remove 5 plastic clips from the driver's side center console. Push in to release and pry away to remove. On the passenger side center console, remove 5 more plastic clips. Move the transmission selector from park to reverse. Lift on the back of the center console and remove it from the vehicle. Under the driver's seat, unhook the rubber cover from the 4 plastic hooks and set aside. In the back of the vehicle, locate the battery box and remove the cover by releasing the 3 metal clamps. Using a flathead screwdriver, loosen the positive and negative connections and add the positive and negative leads from our harness. Secure the fuse and relay inside and place the cover back on. Disconnect the switch from the harness for now and begin routing behind the driver's seat into the vehicle. We will route our DT lead through here as well and pull through into the cabin. Route the harness under the seat and through the center console hole near the seatbelt latch. Continue routing into the console, making sure to avoid the drive shaft. Route around the shifter towards the front of the vehicle. From the front of the vehicle, pull the DT and switch leads through. Reconnect the switch and mount where you prefer or use your own switch. Pull the DT lead to the front of the vehicle and plug into the DT splitter. Test for function. With everything functioning properly, secure any loose wiring using zip ties and reverse the steps we use to take everything apart to put it back together. As you can see, with our Stage Series LED grill kit installed, not only will you have a dramatic increase in light output, but you'll also add a ton of style to your razor with a custom stainless steel grill included with this kit. If you're interested in an SS3 grill kit for your Honda Talon, head on over to our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products coming to the market, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.